What is going on, guys? Muscle Made back here with another video, and today we're going to be tinting the tail lights on my 2015 Dodge Charger ScatPack. And yeah, I just got this tail light tint from eBay. It's not the Luxe Auto Concept one that usually everyone goes ahead and gets, but it's just normal vinyl tint like every other tint. And it was like 13 bucks from eBay, so I was like, you know, why not? And yeah, basically I went through the whole installation process in this video, so if you guys continue further on, if you guys like, you can go ahead and see that. Me installing the whole taillight tint on it. Alrighty, guys, so we got the ScatPack here. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is basically taking these Dodge emblems off so we can get that nice black finish in the middle, and then going to be tinting this white part right here with the taillight tint. So I'm going to set you guys down and basically heat these up. You can heat it up with the heat gun or a hair dryer, and just get it heat and it should just pop right off. Got the emblem off, so you guys can see it looks way cleaner. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start tinting these sides. So I got the taillight tint right here. I got that for the outside, and then this is for the inside. So this is not the Luxe one, this is just someone I bought from eBay. It was like 13 bucks. But it should work. It says you just use soap and water. You guys, I'm going to be cleaning the surface with alcohol, and I did go ahead and use the Chemical Guys clean slate. So basically this gets rid of all waxes and sealants. My car is ceramic coated, but I didn't ceramic coat the lights just to be sure that the tint stays on there. If you want, you can use clean slate or just some alcohol. So I'm cleaning with some alcohol. Alrighty, guys, so same thing. Gonna be using soap and water, and it's got squeegee and squeeze it out. Just gonna see which side is which. Looks like this side is this side. Right. Spray some soap and water, and then take the tail light tint off, guys. And then same thing, soap and water on it. And then just put it on the light. Wherever you want it. And then just get the squeegee. And start squeezing it out. Alrighty, guys, so I got one side done. As you guys can see, literally came out perfect. That tail light tint is very good. And I just got that other side, and then we're done. Alrighty, guys, so the scat is done. As you guys can see, you got both sides. tint. This tint was literally the easiest tint I've ever installed because it's just flat. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll give you guys some better shots. So this is the finished product. Got the ScatPack sitting right here. So yeah, I went ahead and deleted that middle part where it says Dodge, and then basically the white part, or basically the braking tail lights, blocked that out. So this is 20% tint. Got it from eBay, as I said, not the Lux Auto Concept one. I think that's about the same, 20%. But yeah, this one is just, as you guys saw in the video, just spray soap and water, squeegee it out. It's literally one of the easiest tail light tints I've ever done, or tint in general. Yeah, it was really easy because that's really a small piece, and if you're not doing this red part right here, so it's not going to be like you can't even see when you're braking. Matter of fact, let me go and show you guys how it is when I hit the brake. I mean, I don't think I've seen tail light tints on it, and whenever you're braking during the day, you can't even really tell because they're so strong from the factory. But yeah, I mean, that's the finished product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys like the way it looks. I really do. Let me give you guys a back angle. So it looks pretty mean. And then I got the Hellcat replicas on the back, so get that wide stance. So yeah, it looks pretty mean. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and drop a like on the video if you guys liked it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Immune 5.0. And yeah, that's it for me in the Charger. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.